Hey guys, welcome to Psych 101. There are no two ways about it. Breakups are painful. You're feeling empty and broken, and there's pain, so much pain. The agony of not having the person you love, it doesn't get much more difficult than that. Confusion has also gripped you. A part of you desperately wants him back, while another part of you wants to move on. Most of all, you just want to feel better, and one of the most common post-breakup blunders is believing that the only way to feel better is to get him back. You're in excruciating pain and just want it to go away. But it does not come from keeping in touch with him or seeing him on a regular basis. This only makes matters worse. Following the no-contact rule solves everything. So here is the 7 psychological reasons why no-contact rule works on everyone. Number 7. It gives him the space to miss you. The no-contact rule is really about you and reconnecting with yourself. It has the added benefit of making your ex miss you. But please do not use it to get back at him. Is it possible? Yes, it absolutely does, and it does it all the time. But it will only work if you put in the effort. In other words, you work on yourself during this time and reap the benefits of the no-contact period. We all have a tendency to romanticize the past, to romanticize what we no longer have. This is what will naturally happen if you are not present in his life. But once again, it will not work unless things change, and change begins within. It begins with you, because you are the only person over whom you have control. So take the time to work on yourself, to reconnect with yourself, to be alone, and if he contacts you after the minimum 4-week no-contact period, you may have a chance the second time around. Number 6. Keeps you from seeing what he's up to, because there are times when you really don't want to know. So, let's say you don't heed the wise advice in this article and continue to communicate with your ex, and he begins dating another woman. How does that make you feel? Crushing is the answer. The only way you'll know what he's up to is if you don't follow the no-contact rule, or if you do, but break a rule within a rule, which is not checking in on him on social media. Even if he isn't the right guy for you, seeing him with another woman will be excruciatingly painful. You can avoid this type of agony if you follow the no-contact rule. You keep the focus on yourself rather than on him. Number 5. Gives you space to detox. Growth is excruciating. Change is difficult. Nothing, however, is as painful as being stuck somewhere you don't belong. Mandy Hale is a writer from the United Kingdom. A breakup can be an extremely emotional experience, and you'll need time and space to recover. You need to feel your emotions, mourn, and simply be alone with yourself. It is a procedure, and if your ex keeps popping in and out of your life, this process will be disrupted. Don't kid yourself, this is going to mess with your head. It does not imply that he is attempting to intentionally annoy you. He's probably hurting as well, and he misses you and wants to make sure you're okay. Engaging with him is the surest way to end up in trouble. You'll need some time to think about it. Number 4. It will help you get over him. As they say, time heals all wounds. But as I previously stated, it is not a passive process. Rather, it is an active one. If you continue to see and speak with your ex, time will not heal anything. What heals is the interaction of time and space. The no-contact period allows you to go through the stages of grief, which is an important part of healing. You can't get over him when he's right in front of you. All you'll think about is how much you want him and how much you miss him, and not on whether he is the right guy for you, which is what you should be considering. You might come across something unexpected. Perhaps you've noticed that without him in the picture, you feel happier and more like yourself. Number 3. It will give you perspective. It is nearly impossible to be objective when feelings are involved. Before you can see things clearly, you must allow the flames of your emotions to die down. You'll be able to see where things went wrong with a little more distance. Breakups usually have a surface and a deeper reason. A relationship does not fall apart overnight. It develops gradually over time as a result of the accumulation of problems, resentment, and negativity. Number 2, you can open yourself up to other guys. You might not be ready to date right now, but you'll be able to see more opportunities when your ex isn't in the way. When he is removed from the picture, you make room for someone else to enter. Even if you don't pursue anything, you'll be able to see what's out there better. You might find yourself getting excited about the prospect of meeting someone new or being in a better relationship. Number 1, you avoid the never-ending on-off relationship cycle. You may believe that meeting up with your ex for a drink isn't a big deal, or to show up at his door at 2 a.m. when he dials you drunk. However, these are huge blunders. For one thing, you run the risk of entering what I call a post-relationship relationship, which I consider to be the worst type of relationship. You talk and hang out occasionally, but you're in a relationship limbo. None of the problems are ever resolved. Breaking it off, missing each other, getting together, feeling high on infatuation, realizing again that it isn't working, breaking it off, and repeating the cycle. This has the word toxic written all over it. So guys, you can let us know in the comments below what you want to see in the next video. If you're new to our channel, be sure to subscribe now and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. And finally, thanks for watching.